Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Atome Card in a store. So first open the Atome app and go to the card section. If you haven't activated your card yet, follow the prompts to set your PIN and verify your details. Once active, you will see your available credit limit and installment options. Now, the Atome card can be used anywhere MasterCard is accepted, including fashion outlets, restaurants, electronic shops, and supermarkets. Just make sure the store supports card payments, online or in-store. Now, at the counter, tap your card on the POS machine if it supports contactless payments. Otherwise, insert or swipe it just like a regular debit or credit card. Choose credit when asked for payment type. Atome handles the rest automatically. After purchase, open your Atome app to see how the payment was split. Typically, Atome divides the amount into 3 or 6 equal installments, depending on its settings and eligibility. You'll also get reminders before each due date. Now, in the app's Bills or Transactions tab, you can view your repayment schedule and make early payments if you wish. Atome will auto-charge your linked payment method like your bank or debit card on each due date. A tip, always keep enough balance in your linked bank account to avoid missed payments. Atome may suspend your card if an installment fails. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.